and here we go. So what we're doing is popping them in. Have your clips at the ready. These, because they're a Prestige tile, they are not that accurate, like they're sizey. It's what's called sizey. They're not exact like the cut edge porcelain. But you can't do much about it, and with clips it helps. Whooshka. Clip them up. It seems slower, DIY, but it's not. You know, like I'm hand fixing these tiles, but it's actually faster because I'm not having to wait for my mud to dry. You just lay it and you get the best bond ever between glue and your screeded bed. Tip it into place. Give it a wriggle. I like it. I like it. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye.